Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another very, very exciting episode of Corporate Coffee. We have a very, very fascinating guest with us today. Someone whose name strikes conversation and say, oh, yes, we have worked with her. Oh, I hope I've learned something that I can always, share stories that I've learned from her. Somebody who's always there as a shining star, who's very, very humble, a powerhouse. When I say HR, that's one person I would love to go and learn more. So today we have with us Puru Chishti Sidhwa. She is the CHR of UCO Bank and a very, very old and a very, very close acquaintance, friend. I think we've passed the acquaintance stage. Very, very old friend of ours. So thank you very much for being here, Puru. And you don't have to look at me that way.
No, I'm kind of, I feel humbled because you've showered too many words of praise, praiseworthy words.
I've not even started.
This is not about me, nee? This is
It
just
is about you.
It's about
It is
about the topic that we want to talk
You are my
about.
celebrity today, and I have you on the hot seat. And
Thank
the best
you.
thing is, I can ask anything.
Yeah. Now I'm scared.
I don't think so. And I would love with the same repo that we have, and you having more than, I think, 3 decades of experience in
Yeah.
HR.
3.5 now?
Yeah, 3.5 now. So when I ask you, when I speak to people and ask them about different things, so they're giving me their limited time of experience that they have, learned over the years. But somebody like you, I would really want to, ask you when we talk about D&I.
Yeah.
Right? So is D&I just smiling faces, fancy posters on the wall? Do people really know what D&I is, Puru? When somebody says we want to do a D&I activity, what comes to your head? What comes to your mind? What do you want to ask them?
Well, are you really serious about D&I? Do you really know what D&I is? Because when they say D&I, the general impression is, oh, get a couple of women, more women in, have people dress up in cultural clothes and show that we have a multicultural workforce. And yes, it is about posters because you need to show something, right? But I think the ethos of the company has to change and the acceptability has to be from the top. Whether do you really want to put D&I as your agenda? It was your agenda in the forefront, because just by saying get women in is really not D&I. D&I is really have both genders, acceptability of ideas, acceptability of a different point of views, acceptability of people who are different, who may not be really like you, who may not really behave like you, but you need to accept them. So as long as you have that in your head, that you will accept everybody the way they are and celebrate them, until that happens, your D&I chapter doesn't begin. And this is a journey. Even when you say that, oh, we've started on our D&I mission, this is not a 1 year, 2 year thing. It has to embed in the culture, and it becomes like second nature. You should not even have to ask the question, what is your D&I agenda? Because as soon as you enter a company, आपको नजर आ जाना चाहिए कि बच्चा, oh, so they have all kinds of people.
Is D&I only an HR agenda?
Of course not. HR is just a facilitator. लेकिन हमारे KPIs में आ जाता है, like मेरे KPI में D&I अगर नहीं hire, if I don't hire that many women, oh, women नहीं आई, women are not there in the higher echelons of the organization, so it becomes my responsibility. No, it is everybody's responsibility. It is a responsibility of the top man, whoever is sitting at the top.
Yes,
because उसकी acceptance से ही ये चीज़ होती है.
Yeah.
And again, please, just by pushing women in the workforce is really not D&I.
Is that the
That's the understood word.
Is that where the full stop is? Oh, we've hired women, we've done D&I.
Yeah, this is
if we
unfortunately.
only understand what D&I means, what when we speak about D&I, it automatically becomes a women-based initiative. It's not women, right?
No,
it's about both genders.
It's about inclusion of maybe the third gender as well, and the acceptance of the ideas that come from the third gender as well. Because, I mean, you have to understand, good ideas is not kisi ek ka, it can come from anybody.
It can come from.
So as long as there is inclusion, and inclusion means horizontal and vertical, right? So आपको vertical इंक्लूजन भी ज़रूरी है, हॉरिजॉन्टल इंक्लूजन भी ज़रूरी है कि आप
Explain the
हर एक
horizontal, vertical
लाइक
inclusion.
आप ऊपर से लेके नीचे तक इंक्लूजन इन द सेंस दैट if you are in a town hall, so the questions should just not come from the higher management or the middleman. Even the lowest of the low, even a peon can stand up and ask. But if he, and that could be anybody. तो वहाँ आप समझ में आती है कि हाँ एक इंक्लूसिव कल्चर है कि कोई भी उठ के सवाल कर सकता है, पूछ सकता है. You should nobody should feel small just because you are not of that grade. Okay, and inclusion also means that are you included in the strategy of the company? Is your thought included there? Is your mind used there as well? Or is strategy just the work of the top management कि हमने 3 years की strategy बना दी
Yeah.
and were people included? Were people asked? Was there an informal session? Were people even considered worthy of giving an opinion? And we all keep complaining कि यार अगर हमने सबसे पूछा तो सब कुछ भी बोल देंगे. Agreed. There may be a lot of things that come from people which you may not agree with, but out of the 10 things that people say, एटलीस्ट 3 तो ऐसी कोई चीज हमेशा मिली जाती है जिस पे हम कुछ ना कुछ कर सकते हैं. सो यू एक्सक्लूड द 7, but at least work on the 3.
Work on the 3.
Why just not take anything?
Absolutely, because when we think that we are doing a great job, but do we actually know we are doing a great job? Do we actually know where we are standing? Do we have any measure in place? Do we have a voice board in place where people are actually voicing out without the fear and being vulnerable enough on be it inclusivity, be it equity, be it diversity, the acceptance of ideas, the acceptance of having the next seat with you, being a woman and not telling her to quiet down because she knows less than you.
Yeah.
So there has to be a measure. There has to be something that's moving the needle forward, right? It cannot just be a pink banner, pink balloon day, which happens in March, which does not happen in March because diversity, equity, inclusion is not a March thing.
Yeah,
it's an April thing.
It's an everyday thing actually.
Yeah, actually, it's an everyday.
And has to, and even when they say कि Women's Day celebrate किया 8th March को, and everybody says so much about women.
Yeah.
And then 9th March को everybody forgets. कि सारे LinkedIn पे post खत्म हो जाते हैं, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है.
Yeah.
So I just say कि I feel we should now stop doing this 8th March के Women's Day. Women's Day should be a celebration of every day. I mean, the day we stop celebrating a day, that is the day we will feel कि we've
It has to
achieved
be atypical, right? It has to be atypical. Men's Day, Women's Day, diversity, March,
Yeah.
every day.
It should be a way of life.
Yeah. So if you talk about D&I, it's a practice.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
that practice
yeah,
has to be
yeah.
embedded in everyday
Yeah. और dashboards जो हम बनाते हैं ना,
Yeah.
they're all very good presentation slides के इसमें show करते हो, this we hired this many women and so
Yeah.
many got promoted and this one happened. Okay, you got promoted, but did you really listen to them? How do you know? How do you know whether they were included in conversations? They were included in different thoughts. If anything they said on the table was taken without a grain of salt, and so my thing is that no dashboard will be able to give you the real pulse. You have to keep getting.
It can give you a pulse of that moment,
Yeah,
that month that the exercise was done.
Yeah, but
how do you want to take it?
So you continuously, so you have to continuously have these. जिसे कहते हैं ना, what do you say? जब हम
forums?
हाँ, नहीं, not really forums.
Focus
You
groups?
focus groups करते रहो. Have these fireside chats. Make women and even men, make them feel accountable, responsible, and something that they are also contributing towards this. Now, जब से हमने ये women का कार्ड शुरू किया तो men also feel कि भाई हर चीज़ औरत को देते, transportation allowance औरत को दे दी, ये allowance औरत को दे दी. हाँ, ये बिल्कुल करना पड़ा है because that's how you push the agenda. You see, but that doesn't mean that you leave the men behind. And as I keep telling everybody, my mentors and all those people who really pushed me to where I am have been men.
I said
they have not been women.
Same thing. I have been shaped
by men.
I think out of the 5 mentors that I have, 4 are men. 1 I work with, and only one of them is a woman who sits in Dubai. So she's over there. And I have found great role models, people like you, who I look up to and say, all right, she did it. How has she done it? What can be done better? And how do I push through? How do I get resilient? How do I make myself included in conversation? How, so you get stories from people, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yes, we have been shaped, and I totally agree, shaped by men.
Yeah.
And there have been mentors who are men.
Yes.
Women bashing, men bashing.
No,
women
it doesn't
bashing,
work.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. There's no point, actually. I mean, we have to understand that it is a patriarchal society.
Yes.
So you need to shape the boys, okay, in order to then move the envelope.
So do you shape the boys at workplace? Don't you think this should have begun way before they came into the workplace?
Yeah. So it starts at home.
It starts at home. And the women are the ones supporting the older women, saying, keep the stereotype going.
Yeah. So
they are the ones who promote. They are champions of following through the old stereotypes.
So women have to start by making sure that they train their boys.
Yes.
And then only those same boys will go to the workforce, and then the change will come.
The respect. When you talk about psychological safety, we want to feel respected, we want to feel safe. That's where these boys come in, make it into a culture rather than a checklist.
Exactly.
So, Puru, over these years, over your 3.5 decades, how, when you started off and where it is today, do you see anything happening better based on these?
Well, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, there has been a sea of change. ऐसा नहीं है कि change नहीं हुआ है, but a lot needs to happen. Look, I was very fortunate. I worked in multinational companies, okay? So wahan, I didn't really have that culture where women were not, they were sidelined or anything. So I never felt that. And I was always assertive. I always made sure that my point of view was heard. Some people may use other words for assertion, but that's fine.
It went through my head, yes.
Yeah, but that's fine. But today I think it is easier for women. So yes, a lot has happened and a lot can happen. पहले conversations नहीं होती थी. अब conversations होने लगी हैं, awareness होने लगी है. Like, पहले nobody used to talk of diversity. This diversity thing always just came a decade ago. Okay, we have to be, diverse, inclusion, and all that.
I think it started since the time the earth was made.
Yeah.
It's
always there.
It's always been there. It's one of those
अभी ये सिर्फ forefront पे आके, कहा गया है कि इस पर काम करो.
Yeah. Become human again.
Yeah.
Be respectful to each other.
Yeah.
So, because you have been there and you have earned, alhamdulillah, a lot of respect. And you have worked with men, you've worked in MNCs, you worked in
local companies
local
outfits. Yeah.
And somehow people, when I take your name and the glow that comes with, oh yes, we've worked with her, so you've done something right. What is your mantra for doing that one thing right?
Okay, to just lead by example. I've just been my real self. The authentic. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now when you tell me yes, but then I don't know any other way. I think it is best to be authentic self, and people and have empathy, compassion, learn to give. Like for me, I would very happily train somebody who's completely raw, completely raw. ठीक है, others don't want to कि नहीं हमें पला पलाया बंदा चाहिए जो हमारा plug and play हो. I've never really gone that. What I've done is I've always wanted to leave imprints, of my feet on the sand. So wherever I've worked, जिस भी company में काम किया है, everybody will know me even today. Everybody will remember even today. But for that, you have to give of your own.
So it's more like instead of being a fixed mindset and growth, you talk about a contributive mindset. What have you first given? Then
and you always get it. If you give, you will get. But if you don't give, then you are just another bum on the seat.
Yes. I so like that. Of course, don't just leave the print, leave the imprint on people. You're embedded with something, with some learnings.
Yeah.
So as far as respect, we have these terms: respect, psychological safety, ED&I, D&I, belonging. These are nice words, right? And I just hope people actually start putting them into, rather than just, their smiling faces are nice, the posters are nice, but like you said, it's an everyday thing.
It's behaviors.
It's behaviors.
It's behavior. You behave in that way, so ye sare words automatically, they come to life.
They come to life.
Yeah.
And you're right, it has to be an everyday thing rather than just
Yeah,
once in a
yeah.
year thing, or
Yeah.
once in a year, and instead of bashing people and just going completely quiet and back to normalcy. Okay, so today was 8th March and now we've gone back and nothing's been spoken about.
Yeah.
But yeah, so these are small things, and thank you so much, because I would love to have you on this seat for hours on this, because I have so many, I myself, because when I go and talk to people about DA9, I'm just sitting there and I go, okay, so you have a checklist, you want to do this. Do you have a strategy? No, we have a policy. Okay, that's also fine, but is it driven by something? Is it driven from the board? Is it something that your culture really wants, or is it something like a compulsion?
देखो पॉलिसी तो बनानी पड़ती है, right? You need to have a policy, but then you need to have a strategy behind that policy. So if there is a strategy and you know what you need to do, say in the next 3 years, and then you can bring that policy to life. But now it's just another piece of
It's
paper
another
hidden
piece
in
of
a
paper, and it's
yeah.
another
Yeah.
feel-good factor. Oh, we are working on
yeah,
it. But
because
then,
it's always actions, right? I mean, if everything has to be actionable. If there's no action, then it's just words.
and it's not only an HR-driven initiative. I think it's,
yeah.
it's everybody's duty as a human to give respect to the other person. Because if you're giving respect to a 4-year-old, when you're bending down to hearing him, you should give it to a 40-year-old also and hear what he or she has to say, or the other gender for that matter. So thank you so much. I would love to talk more, but yeah, this can go on.
This can go on.
Yeah, but you coming here, giving us time. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. It's always wonderful to be with you and to be with your team. I think I've always bonded very well with all of you, and that's because I think we think the same way. I think it's authenticity. It's authenticity as well. So when you're real, you connect with real people.
Connect with reality. Absolutely. With this, we come to the end of Corporate Coffee with Puru this time. Looking forward to the next one. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.